everyone, welcome back to Tableau tutorial sister session. In this video, I will show how to clean data which is not formatted properly in Excel file by using data interrupter functionality that is built in Tableau desktop. So this is the data about the author details. Here in this Excel, data is not in proper format. So if you see here, it is having extra columns, extra rows, heading, no value in the cell. Now if I connect this data to Tableau, will it be proper? Obviously no. This data in Tableau will not be proper. So let's see. Excel, authors, open. So if you see over here, you can see that there is no proper headings. F1, F2, F3 is displayed like this, and there is column with the null values, row with the null values, again column with the null values. If you see here in Excel file, see here you're having an heading, author ID, first name, last name, birthday, country of residence, hours writing per day. So but in Tableau that is not displaying over here, and also having a column with null values. See why? Because it is having an extra column. So if we use this data to create reports, do we get proper reports? Absolutely no. So this data cleaning need to be done and set in proper format to create reports. Data cleaning can be done in Excel. Then why we need to use data interrupter functionality? Yes, it can be done in Excel, but it is a lengthy process. If it is small data like this, you can check, okay, here it is having extra column, okay, here it is having extra row, here in this cell no value, here heading is there. So you can check. But if it is a big data, is it possible to check? Of course not. You need to search for extra column, then you need to remove like this, and then you need to save the data, or again you need to search, and again you need to remove the row. Like this, you need to search, you need to remove, and you need to save the data. So it is not possible to be done in big data. It is a very lengthy process. So we use Tableau data interrupter functionality. So with one click, it will clean the data automatically in 1 minute. So let's see. So click on use data interrupter. So within 1 minute, you can see that the headings are listed. Author ID, first name, last name, birthday, country of residence, hours writing per day. So these headings were displayed. Extra column is deleted. Extra rows are deleted. So whole process was done within 1 minute. You can see that within 1 minute the data has been cleaned and now it is in proper format. So by using this data we can create the reports. In review the results, you can check how the data is cleaned. If you check, the full report will be available here. I hope you understood what is the use of data interrupter and how to clean data in Tableau in 1 minute. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.